Hey everyone, Thomas here, MGMClassicCars.com, coming to you from Addison, Illinois. And today I have another top shelf 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Resto Mod Pro Touring car here that I would love to keep, but I can't keep them all. And this one here, this is definitely a top shelf for me. Very, very good quality car. I'm gonna walk around the car, talk to you a little bit about it, show you what I see, and hopefully you guys will like this car as much as I. The bodywork and paintwork on this car is a very, very close to a number 10. The color on this particular Chevelle is called Indigo Blue. As obviously you can see, the power disc brakes on all four, front and rear, slotted and cross drilled, beautiful chrome, beautiful paint. Man. The stripe on the car is a Cortez silver, beautiful chrome. Correct dual exhaust tips for a 70 model. Correct rear SS rubber bumper pad. Wheels and tire package are brand new on the car. You can even see the little sticker on the tire is still on there. Brand new. Really never been on the street. Fit and finish is super nice on the car. Not perfect, but really nice. And I'll show you the non-perfect parts. Or how it is. Continue going over the car. Dual sport mirrors. You got the REV Wheels. I guess that gives it away on what motor is underneath the hood, but it is a 502. Bezels look brand new. Front grille, emblems, front chrome, bumper. I mean, everything on this car is restored or replaced, and it's really, really nice. Stand back here and check out the stance. When the sun goes down, this is a black car. When the sun hits it, it's a very dark blue. Nice glass all around the vehicle. So let's check out the interior. The interior looks stock, but it's not. It's been upgraded. And it's been upgraded with TMI seats, as you can see, with the blue stitching. And suede. New carpet. New weather stripping. The cluster's been all rebuilt, redone. Correct center console, horseshoe staple shifter. Beautiful TMI door panels with the suede built in the middle. Excellent door lips. Like I said, weather stripping is great on the car. Look at that rocker panel. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the outer quarter there with the billet jams, billet striker. Super, super cool. Blue LED lights in the car. Excellent dash pad. Nice 3-spoke aluminum steering wheel. Tilt wheel as well. Beautiful vintage auto sound Bluetooth radio showing 752 miles. And that's what's on the rebuild and the total restoration of this car. Yes, vintage air conditioning, heat, suede headliner, excellent rear TMI seats, nice package tray, 6x9s. Very, very, very nice and ready for the shows, guys. Now, some of you don't like the wheels, not a problem. We can swap them out with something else, but you know what? That does fit the car. Let's check out the passenger side really quick. All the stainless steel trim around the car looks great. Excellent new door handles. Look at this door jamb, just like the driver's side. Excellent, along with the rocker, the outer quarter, the inner quarter, should I say. Look at that. Look at the jams in there, beautifully painted. You can tell this is a high quality restoration. Guys, easily 6 figures in this car if you wanted to restore it, and you know it. And if you don't know it, go price it out and then you'll know. 4-wheel power disc, like I mentioned, front and back. Woo-wee, dual sport mirrors. Here's your wipers. Brushed nickel right there. Oh man, look at that. Woo! Oh, all right. Now, I want to show you guys a trunk. Let's close this door. Listen how it closes. Excellent. All right, let me grab the keys. Obviously, gentlemen, if you don't know, now you do. That's where you put the fuel, right there. All right. Round key is for the trunk, and square key is obviously for the ignition. So let me grab that half round key, half moon, or whatever you want to call it, oval key. Nice and easy. Beautiful finish. There's your on and off switch. So if you're storing your car, you have that built in. Beautiful jams. Nice weather stripping, like I said. Under the trunk lid has been painted, same color as the car, like it should be. Stripes are done correctly. And then in here, check this out. You got a nice little toolbox with your jack assembly, okay? Pretty freaking cool. All you gotta do is get a spare tire and put it in, or you know what? Forget that and get AAA. All right, now the best part of the car, and you thought that was, man, this body is straight. This body is slick. It's a mere finish reflection on this restoration with under 750 miles. To pop the hood on this baby, on a 70 Chevelle, the hook is right down here. Pull it, and it pops open the hood. All right? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Boom! 502. 502 aluminum head motor. It's a 502 502. Check out that serpentine belt system with the cold air conditioning right there, plumbed correctly and hidden behind the inner fender. And it goes way back there into the firewall. Nice, smooth, slick. Billet striker. Nice latch there. Look at that cover. Custom cover being put in. It's got headers, new chrome alternator, new chrome power steering, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, four-wheel power disc with the chrome setup on the master cylinder and booster. And check out those chrome hinges, man. That's bad to the bone. Bad to the bone. Woo-hoo. There's your choke, electric choke. There's your 502 setup right there. Tubular control arms. Look at underneath this baby. Look at this setup. Look at that big sway bar. Beautiful frame off restoration. Steel braided hoses. 12 bolt Posi rear end. Let's take a look at that 12 bolt. Let's make sure it's a 12 bolt. Oh, actually, look at that. You guys know what that is? It's not a 12 bolt. That's a Ford 9-inch. Look at that dual exhaust system setup. Look how clean it is. Rear tubular suspension as well. New gas tank. This thing is ready for car shows and for the road, guys. The only thing left to do is start it. Man, I want to take this thing out for a spin and show you guys what it can do. But you know what? The weather here is not that nice today. Oh, I'm trying to catch my breath. All right, let's get that square key back out of my pocket. Let's give this thing a crank. These are some comfortable ass seats. Literally. Sun visors are done in a suede. Everything functions like it should. Even the clock works. Horn functions. Whoa. Wipers don't work. Let's just make sure you know that. But the horn does function. Tilt wheel. Here's your headlights there. Your heat and air conditioning functions like it should. And then the radio is your Bluetooth radio. That's your fan switch for the electric fan. Boom! Right there. Beautiful center console. They even put the blue LED light. Look at that. Right in the middle here. What a cool, cool touch. Slate A-pillars as well. Let's listen to this thing. Wow. Wow. Woo-wee. I love this job, man. Baby. That's a new wiper motor too. I don't know why it's not working. Anyway, all right. Man, this thing excites me. All right, left turn signal, right turn signal, everything there works. All right, lights off. Booyah. All right, so now that this car checks off all the boxes, okay, because it does. The paint, the motor, the trans, the rear end, the interior, the stance, the four-wheel power disc, everything that checks off all the boxes that you want, guaranteed, okay? Now, if you want to add a fuel injection system to it, I can do it. It's $2,000, parts and labor, but you don't need it. The rumble of this motor is excellent. It's very reliable. Do research on 502 crate motors, okay? And you'll agree with me. So there she is, guys. Now listen, if you guys have any questions for me, and if I did not answer them in this video or in my descriptions, then call me and ask me. But if I did, don't ask me those questions. I'm just being, just making sure that your time, my time is valuable, okay? I'm gonna sell you an honest car. I'm gonna show you one area on the car that has a blemish in the paint, okay, which we're gonna go over. I'm not gonna hide nothing, don't need to. This car will sell 10 times in 1 month, okay? When I tell you it's a high-end Chevelle, it's a high-end Chevelle. I've been doing this for 29 years. And I kind of know what I'm talking about. Dual sport mirrors like you see. But anyway, getting back to this, here is the little area that bugs me. See that right here? That's the worst part of the car. Now from back here, you can't see it, but it's there. And when you guys are spending this kind of money, or any kind of money, or your money, you should know about it. I'm here to tell you about it, and that's what it is. So there you guys, gals, there you have it. Gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle 502. Checks off all the boxes. If you don't need financing, call me. First $65,000 takes the car. There's no negotiating. I could have priced it at $75,000 and then negotiated down to $65,000. I'm not doing that. The first $65,000 buys the Chevelle, okay? I have great reviews. I keep my customers happy because I tell you the truth about all of my little honeys here, okay? And I have a lot of them. And I go out and I handpick every single car that I have in my building. There's about 75 cars here. And I love them all. And I know you will too. If you need financing, if your credit score is like 700 to 800s, I get you done in 15 minutes with great rates, no money down. If your score is 650 to 699, you're gonna need, well, let's say, yeah, 650 to 699, you're gonna need about 10% down. If you're 600 to 649, you might need 20% down, okay? So that all depends on your credit profile. If you guys need delivery, I'm gonna give you my phone number. You can call me, text me, email me. My number is 847-848-1850. Name's Thomas, mgmclassiccars.com. My email is bestofbest71@yahoo.com. Again, it's bestofbest71@yahoo.com. I can respond very quickly through text message, 847-848-1850. If you guys are ready to buy the car and don't need financing, call me right away. If you need financing, call me, text me. Let's make sure this puppy is available. Then we can continue with a small deposit, and then we can do the credit application. So, what do you guys think? You guys ready? You ready to treat yourself to something beautiful? Future investment? You're gonna pick my Chevelle because I have great reviews and a beautiful car. Plural, cars. If you guys are watching this video on YouTube, click the bottom right-hand button, the red subscribe button. And if you're on Facebook a lot, go to mgmclassiccars.com and like my page. Share it with your friends. Share it, tell them, I wanna buy this car, what do you guys think? All right, call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks again for watching mgmclassiccars.com.